Hello. Okay, we're gonna do a super quick repair review, wear and tear, Louboutin. It's gonna be short and sweet. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my Louboutin repairs that I've been having repaired a million times. Super quick video. This is gonna be so fast. I'm trying to post quicker, faster videos. I know I haven't been around for a while. Hey guys, I'm really sorry. I know I have not been around for a while. I know I've got to post a lot more content and I'm backlogged and I still am trying to post the old stuff, which I just feel like some of it I shouldn't even post now because it's like so old, but I'm gonna try to post what I can out of my old stuff. But in the meantime, it'd still be current, but okay. Anyway, okay, we're gonna do a quick video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholique. And today we're doing a quick Louboutin repair video. This is like part 3. I don't know if you guys remember my previous videos where I got these shoes from the outlet, but I got the shoes, I got them repaired, they broke again. I think I did another video about it, and now I'm getting them repaired, and now the repair has come back again. So here we are with the repair. I'm going to talk about it real quick and talk about how I love them and how they're so great. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to try to keep this short. I know I've been a little behind on my videos, so I'm going to try to post shorter videos during the week and maybe longer, more substantial videos during the weekend or something like that. I still have to figure out a plan, you guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm trying to like be consistent about it, but it's very, very hard. It's like almost a full-time job posting and doing this stuff, you know? So it's like hard to balance and manage with my actual like, you know, regular life and career and stuff. So anyway, so it's hard to balance doing this full-time as a side thing, you know what I mean? So, okay, anyway. So I got these Louboutins 5 years ago at the outlets, at the Cabazon outlets. They were $777, I believe. That sounds right. Normally like $12.50 or something like that. Still very expensive, pricey, whatever, Louboutins. But they were these sock shoes. I'm obsessed. I love them. And some of the spikes fell off, and they had said the spikes never come off. They're very sturdy, and they came off, and I had them repaired once, and they fixed them. It took a couple of months. They sent to France and everything like that. Then I wore them again, and the spikes fell off again. I really love these shoes. I wear them all the time. I'm so happy they're back. First of all, because I've been wanting to wear these for so long. But they finally come back, and so they repaired them again. So I asked them to repair them again. I said, another couple more spikes have come off. They were super friendly. Their customer service is amazing. Like, say what you will about Louboutin, say what you will about the brand, but like their customer service is amazing. These are very comfortable shoes. I know some of their shoes are not that comfortable, but these are very, very, very freaking comfortable shoes. They're sock shoes, and they were like, we'll repair it right away, send it to us. They sent it to France. It takes time because it has to go all the way to France. I think sometimes it goes to New York, but then eventually goes to France. And then they just call you when they're ready, and they repair them back. So these spikes on the back fell off. And like, I know it's just a couple of spikes, but it's very noticeable when they're off. Like, you can just see the holes. And so, and like, you can kind of tell it's like, where the holes, but like, it came off from back here, and there's like a mark there too from other stuff. But now they're back, and they're fully repaired, and I love them. It's like great. They're sock shoes. They're comfortable. They're blue and red, and they slip right on, and it's like, it's a little bit of flair, a little bit of, you know, fashion without being too much. I mean, it can make an outfit. It can't be too much, obviously, if you're doing other things, but it can like make a simple outfit, like t-shirt and jeans. I'm wearing sweats right now, but t-shirt and jeans with these on. Fashion, done. Maybe I'll put these on right now and like grab a bag so you can kind of see what the look is with these. So you can just kind of see. But yeah, I think these are great. And they repaired them, put all the spikes in, and I feel like if it happened again, they would just repair it again, which makes me really, really, really happy. Great. And like, they're sock shoes, so they slide right in. They're very comfortable. They're not too thick, and there's the arch, everything, the support, it's just really great. These are really great shoes, really great purchase. One of my favorite things I've ever gotten, and I'm so happy that they're back. And they also like, they just have this great structure and shape, and they kind of look like a high top, and they really do make an outfit. I don't know. That's all I got. I know this is short and sweet, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update. So anyway, so yeah, that's my quick update. Louboutin repairs. Okay, I'm going to try to keep these short and sweet, and a few more videos coming for you, but yeah, that's all I got, okay? Yay, Loubies, my shoobies. My shooby Loubies. My shooby Loubies. My Loubi shoobies. My Loubi shoobies. All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hey, share with me next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.